Hi, Charisse. Hello, Charisse. Where's Charisse? Has Charisse gone to the movies? No, she hasn't. She's right here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Excuse me?
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, Wendy. A friend of yours?
That's Charisse. Where's Charisse?
Charisse is in the restaurant. The question is, who is Charisse?
Nina's baby.
Oh, and where is Nina?
She's at a meeting.
And where's the meeting?
At the Children's Center.
Nina's gone to a meeting at the Children's Center and her baby is here?
That's right. Has Charisse gone to the meeting? No, she hasn't.
Why isn't Charisse at the Children's Center or at home at Charisse's house?
Nina's babysitter is sick, okay?
Oh, so the babysitter's gone home, but not Charisse. Charisse is at work.
Excuse me,
Yes, can I help? Can I help you?
do you know where the children's centre is?
Why, yes.